Every once in a while, a product appears that doesn't just grab attention but completely rewires expectations. It's the kind of release that floods timelines, sparks debates, and leaves viewers replaying clips just to understand what they're seeing. That's exactly the effect the Antigravity A1 had the moment its footage surfaced online. Reactions were instant and universal, with people asking how a drone could possibly capture shots like that. What made this moment even more surprising was the source. For the first time in years, the most talked about flying camera on the internet wasn't coming from DJI. Instead, the A1 arrived as a bold statement, introducing a concept that feels less like an upgrade and more like a reinvention. It doesn't just promise better footage, it promises a different mindset toward flying, filming, and creativity itself. The Antigravity A1 is built around a simple but radical idea. Make the camera see everything so the pilot doesn't have to think about anything. It's the world's first drone designed entirely around an 8K 360-degree capture system. And that design choice completely changes how you use it. Traditional drones demand constant attention to framing, camera tilt, and direction. With the A1, all of that disappears. You fly freely, and the drone records the entire environment at once. Later, during editing, you choose the angle you want. Forward, backward, above, below, or even facing yourself, every perspective is already there. Missed shots due to poor framing simply stop being a problem. This approach is why so many creators describe the A1 as a creative cheat code. It removes friction from the process and replaces it with freedom. The experience feels less like operating a machine and more like exploring a space. Beginners benefit the most from this design, as the drone remains extremely stable and forgiving in the air. It actively corrects itself, allowing new pilots to focus on movement rather than control. Surprisingly, even experienced FPV pilots find value here. The A1 can produce FPV-style visuals without requiring FPV skills, making dynamic-looking footage accessible to a much wider audience. Travel vloggers are another group that instantly connected with the A1. A single flight can deliver both horizontal and vertical shots, perfectly framed after the fact. This flexibility makes it ideal for social platforms, cinematic edits, and spontaneous adventures. Online reactions highlight a shared sense of amazement that such a small drone can produce footage that feels so different from anything before it. It almost feels like the industry has stumbled into a new phase where presence matters more than piloting precision. The A1 isn't trying to replace traditional drones, and that's an important distinction. Instead, it opens the door to a new category of flying cameras. It excels at capturing unpredictable moments like cycling, fast-moving action, pets, or casual exploration, situations where manual camera control would normally be a distraction. Thoughtful design elements, such as retractable landing gear that keeps the full 360-degree view unobstructed, reinforce its focus on uninterrupted capture. Of course, there are limitations. Battery performance is respectable but not exceptional, and working with 8K 360 footage demands a powerful computer. Stitching can occasionally struggle with complex environments like water surfaces, dense trees, or very close objects. Creators who prioritize flawless cinematic depth and traditional framing straight out of the camera may still prefer more conventional drones. At the same time, the impact of the A1 has clearly reached the rest of the industry. DJI is already preparing its response with the Avata 360, a drone that appears to blend FPV flight with immersive 360 capture. Early information suggests two distinct philosophies emerging: the A1 as a flying 360 camera, and DJI's approach as an FPV drone enhanced with 360 capability. This contrast alone shows how significant this new category has become. The Antigravity A1 feels like the start of a generational shift in drone filmmaking. It prioritizes creativity over control, freedom over settings, and storytelling over technical perfection. For creators who want to focus on moments rather than mechanics, it delivers an experience that feels refreshingly stress-free. Beginners get confidence, travelers get every angle, and experienced pilots gain a new creative tool that doesn't replace their skills but complements them. With major players preparing their own answers, competition in this space is about to intensify. But right now, the Antigravity A1 stands as one of the most exciting and disruptive flying cameras released in years. It challenges long-held assumptions about what drones are supposed to be and invites creators to imagine what's possible when the sky truly becomes a canvas.